Mexico's President Claudia Sheinbaum responded sarcastically on Wednesday to U.S. President-elect Donald Trump's proposal to change the name of the Gulf of Mexico to the Gulf of America, standing before a 17th-century world map in her daily press briefing. Sheinbaum proposed wryly that North America should be renamed America Mexicana, or Mexican America, because of founding document dating from 1814 that preceded Mexico's constitution referred to it that way. That sounds nice, no? She added with a sarcastic tone. She also noted that the Gulf of Mexico had been named that way since 1607. Trump made the comments during an open-ended Mar-a-Lago press conference. We're going to be changing the name of the Gulf of Mexico to the Gulf of America, which has a beautiful ring, Trump said. That covers a lot of territory, the Gulf of America. What a beautiful name. And it's appropriate. It's appropriate. And Mexico has to stop allowing millions of people to pour into our country. The exchange has started to answer a larger question lingering over the bilateral relationship between the two regional powers. How would newly elected Sheinbaum handle Trump's strong-handed diplomatic approach and promises of mass deportations and crippling taxes on trading partners like Mexico? While Wednesday's joke quickly ricocheted across social media feeds, it also set the tone for what a Sheinbaum-Trump relationship could look like in the coming years. After originally saying her government would push the Trump administration to deport migrants directly back to their own countries, in January she said Mexico would be open to accepting deportees from other countries, but Mexico could limit it to certain nationalities or request compensation.